Students, so we will continue our noun case with the sixth type of case, that is possessive case. So the very word possessive, you have understood that showing possession. So what is possessive case? The possessive case shows ownership or possession, means when a noun denotes possession or ownership over a belonging is said to be possessive case. Now always put the question whose. Like for example, this is Rina's bag. Whose bag is this? Rina's bag. Now Rina's in a noun position or possessive noun, we use apostrophe. What we use? Apostrophe. So possessive case can be shown in three ways. Apostrophe, only apostrophe. Apostrophe plus S means apostrophe S. And one more is of pattern. Now, where to use apostrophe and apostrophe S? If noun is living. Don't worry students, I will put examples to show you to make it clear. And where to use of pattern? If the noun is a non-living object. Now, see this example. Ram's pen has been lost. So we have two nouns, Ram and pen. Pen is the possession and Ram's we have used apostrophe S. So Ram's is a noun, it is possessive case. So this is living object. So we have used possessive apostrophe S to show possessive case. Ram's pen has been lost. One more example we will see. Rohan's watch is costly. Again watch is the possession and Rohan apostrophe S is a possessive case. How to form possessive case for a non-living thing? Now, look at this example students. The car's wheel is punctured. See, we have two nouns, car and wheel. Wheel is the possession, car is a noun and apostrophe S means this is possessive case. But car is a non-living thing, remember. So this sentence and this use of apostrophe S here is wrong. What we have to write? We have to use here of pattern. So first we will take the possession, that is wheel. Wheel of the car is punctured. This is the correct sentence. Wheel of the car is punctured. Let's take one more example. The house door is locked. Again you can see door and house. Door is the possession, house the possessive case, but again the same thing. House is a non-living thing, and if we use apostrophe S with a non-living object, then it is wrong. So what we have to do? We have to write the door of the house. We have to use the of pattern. The door of the house is locked. This is the correct sentence. Using the possessive signs, you have to remember certain rules. First rule, the possessive sign is generally used with the nouns of living things. If the noun is singular, then add apostrophe S. Like for example, we have the elephant's trunk. The girl's mother. Here you can see elephant is singular, girl is singular. So with singular we will use apostrophe S. Now, conditions of using possessive sign if the noun is in plural. See students. Now we have two conditions here. If the noun ends in S, for example, girl, girls, boy, boys, soldier, soldiers. So the nouns which are ending with S, we will use only apostrophe. We will use only apostrophe. We will not use apostrophe S. See students, you can use apostrophe S, but remember the sound. If I say boys' college, too much of hissing sound is there, which is not So to avoid too much of hissing sound, we use only apostrophe. Boys, college, soldiers, tents. Now see the next condition. If the noun doesn't end in S, means some of the nouns which don't take the S or ES form in their plural. For example, children, women. So what we will do? We will use apostrophe S, like children's clothes, children's books, women's hostel. So students understood how to use apostrophe and apostrophe S in these conditions. Second rule, non-living things or objects are used in possessive case when they are personified. Personified means when non-living things are represented as living things. For example, nature's law, duty's call. So duty and nature here are abstract noun but are being personified, given the human qualities. Then we use apostrophe S. Third point, we use apostrophe with nouns denoting time, space or weight. For example, see time. A week's leave. I want a week's leave. 3 days leave. Now here you can see days plural. So we will use apostrophe after S. A month's holiday. Next, space. A meter's length. A hand's breadth. Weight. A kilo's weight. A ton's weight, etc. See the fourth rule. If two or more nouns are jointly possess something, then possessive sign, that is apostrophe S, is put on the latter only. For example, the kings and queens jubilee. Here the jubilee is closely related to king and queen. So we will not use apostrophe S on individual nouns. That is incorrect. What we will do? The king and queens. We will use apostrophe S on the latter noun, queen's jubilee. Mohan's and Sohan's school is very far. Here you see the school. School is in singular. That means they are showing the same position. Mohan and Sohan, two nouns but showing the same position. So it is incorrect if we use apostrophe S on both the nouns. What we will do? Mohan and Sohan's school is very far. Next, fifth rule. If two or more nouns show separate position, then we will put apostrophe S to each noun. For example, Robinson's and Edward's offices. You see the noun here. It is not office, it's offices. That means showing separate position. Robinson's office, Edward's office. So jointly what we are saying, Robinson's and Edward's offices. One more example I will show you. Mohan's and Sohan's houses are under construction. Not house is under construction. If we will use here house singular, that means they are jointly possessing. So we will use only apostrophe S in the latter noun. But you see houses is in plural. That means showing separate position. So we will use Mohan's and Sohan's houses are under construction. Next, apostrophe S is used with the last word of a compound noun. When a compound noun like sister-in-law is used, then we will not write sisters-in-law house is very beautiful. It is wrong. What we will write? We will write my sister-in-law's house is very beautiful. So we will put apostrophe S with the last word of a compound noun. Next, when two nouns are in apposition, already I told you what is the meaning of apposition. When two nouns are used for one person, means the same person, then second noun is said to be the apposition of the first noun. Then what we do? Possessive sign is put to the latter only. For example, Taggar's comma, the poet's famous book is Gitanjali. Means here poet is referring to Tagore. But I have used here apostrophe s with both the nouns, which is wrong. It is incorrect. What we will do? We will use apostrophe s with the second noun only. That means Tagore, comma, the poet's famous book is Gitanjali. This is correct. Next rule, apostrophe is not used with two or more than two consecutive nouns, means showing the double possessive case. For example, Ria's sister's watch has lost. So, watch is the possession. Ria's sister's means who is the sister of Ria, her watch has been lost. So, we can't show double possession. So, what we do, see the structure. First, we will use the possession, then the of pattern, then the first noun, apostrophe s plus second noun. Now, see the correct answer. The watch of Ria's sister has lost. The watch of Ria's sister has lost. This is the last rule, but I should discuss it in details when I will start discussing pronouns. But I am just giving you some idea. Possessive sign is not used with possessive pronouns. For example, mine, his, hers, yours, ours, its, theirs. These are all possessive pronouns. So, for example, you see, this book is yours. Here, yours is actually pronoun. So, you can't use apostrophe s here. This is wrong. What you have to do? This book is yours. No apostrophe. This is correct. Students, almost all the important rules I have discussed, but you also read your book thoroughly, and especially 5.13, 5.14 also you will read and solve the exercises which are given in your book. Hope you have understood the chapter. I shall continue my next lessons in my next video. Thank you.